So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to trade unified trading account in the Bybit. So the unified trading and account in the Bybit is same as spot trading. So the reason why the spot trading is like disappeared or spot account disappeared, now it becomes unified trading, is because Bybit has changed the spot wallet into unified trading account. That's why many people get confused. Like if they want to trade spot, they used to just call the spot as unified trading. So it's same thing as the spot trading. If you just want to trade, just go to trade section. After you go to trade section in your Bybit, so you go to spot at the top. After you go to spot, now you select the phase you want to trade. Tap on this option. So now you select the phase you want to trade. Let's say I want to trade like BTC USDT. After you select BTC USDT, if you want to use limit, you tap on this limit button and then you select market or any coin. Let's say I want to use the market. So now I'll just place the order. Let's say I want to buy BTC for just $1,000. After you place the amount, now if I tap on this buy button, if I have the USDT like 1000 USDT in my wallet, by tapping on this buy button, it will just automatically buy the USDT for me with the market price. So if you just know how to trade in the spot wallet, it's the same with the spot. The unified is same as spot. So just now Bybit has removed the spot. That's why the people get confused on like how to trade on the unified. So it's the same thing. The unified is the same as the spot. So that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.